Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're trying something exciting and new from, I'm gonna say it's like my top favorite drugstore brand, e.l.f. They came out with 5 different shades of their e.l.f. Sheer For It Blush Tint. Buildable lip stain for lips and cheeks. A buildable cheek plus lip tint that leaves a lasting stain. The watery texture of this multi-use blush tint makes it easy as e.l.f. to blend and build up to for a dreamy hit of color with a natural finish. Swipe on cheeks with it. The applicator blend it in a tapping motion using the stain and tint blending brush, which I did not purchase. Layer on more to build intensity. Apply to the lips and dab and blend. They came out with 5 shades and they're $5 each. I'm assuming this is a Benefit like lip tint that they have. They've had that forever. Been a while, but in motion. The packaging is just like a plastic little tube and it kind of matches the corresponding shades. And I got the shades Pink Positive and Plums Up. So one's a little bit more pink and one's a little bit more purple. I promise I'm not naked. I have a dress on. Don't have anything on my face right now besides a little e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cream because I've been really jiving with that. And then for my skin, I decided I'm gonna put it on. Decided to put on the e.l.f. Soft Glam. Let's put the skin tint and we'll come right back. I put a light veil of the Soft Glam Satin Foundation in the shade Light 22 Warm. So let's go in with the first shade, which is Pink Positive. I'm trying to figure out how to apply this the best way. I feel like because it's a liquid, I feel like sometimes when I just put it on the face and then try to blend it, it's patchy. So let's avoid that. Maybe by just putting it, oh, it's like spitting at me, on the brush. We're gonna work smarter, not harder. It's like a nice coral hot pink, but like very coral. We'll see if it looks like that on the face. I'm so excited. Ooh, that's got punch. I feel like that was a smart move. Just buff, buff, buff. It's in a tapping motion. So that's Positive Pink. Pink Positive. Like, how freaking adorable is that? It's so dewy and like fresh. Makes me look like a little baby. I feel like that one's gonna be hard to beat because reminds me like of a coral from the 50s. Next is Plums Up. Should we try it like this? We're gonna try it and see what happens. Oh, I mean that worked fine too. I think that wasn't as vibrant as this side because I think we overdid it. I'm really liking this brush for it. It's just a ColourPop stippling brush. Whatever on here, just to kind of blend it in. Plums Up, so cute. Which one's your favorite? Plums Up. Pink Positive. Let me look in the mirror again. My cute little mini sew mirror. I still love this one. It's just got that coral that I really like. I really don't feel like it lifted my foundation. I mean, I didn't put a lot on so far. Loving. So the last thing we should do is try them on the lips. I'm curious what that looks like. So let's remove this and we'll be back. The pinky one. Ooh, it feels nice and watery. I love the color and the dough for it is really easy to do. I don't know how much hydrating quality, but this is on the cheek and on the lips. It did stain my hand when I swatched it earlier, so I feel like it has a decent wear time. Plums Up. It's so pretty. These are gonna be so pretty for summer. Plums Up, lips and cheek. There is a quick review, swatch, and little tutorial on these new e.l.f. lip tints. They don't feel sticky. My face, I haven't set my face at all, and it's like a little damp, but like nothing terrible. Like I could probably leave it like this and just powder, but I love it. And for $5, you really can't beat that. I think I saw that they did a post that they will be raising not all of their products, but some of their products $1. So nothing crazy, but still an extra $1 for some of the things. So like the cream bled lip liners, I think are going from $2 to $3. So that's still a good deal. But it just sucks seeing that happen. Before I forget, I wanted to show you the stickers that I designed. Okay, so the ones that are holographic will be on Redbubble, which I will link below always. They're my favorite. I obviously won't make as much money on Redbubble because they print it, but I do want to show it. She's like hollow Ariana Grande. FrankenAri when she was laying on the morgue table, but it says I would rather be seen alive than dying by your point of view around her, and like the, you know, blue color that she had going on. And then I have What's Wrong with a Little Bit of Poison bottle, also holographic. Very cool. And then I have a holographic, the Twilight Zone inspired one. It's like a little vintage TV with Twilight Zone in it. Got like a little brain in a jar, and it's got like the lyrics about I misplaced my mind in a good way, so I just thought that would be cute, you know, a little brain in the jar, hollow. Again, those will be on Redbubble. These ones I'm gonna sell as, I think, you know, we could do it separately, so you could buy just a little poison bottle if you wanted. Very cool. Also got, yet again, the brain in the jar. Very neat, very adorable. Can I put my brain in a jar? Actually, it feels like it already is, because I'm dumb. Again, the little TV, so this one's a little smaller, which is cute. Because Redbubble, I've noticed their sizing's different, but I kind of like the smaller, which I think I probably can make it smaller in Redbubble. And then there's Ariana again. You'll probably be able to see it better this way. She's very pretty. I was really proud of how she turned out. It looks like how she was on the morgue table as FrankenAri. If you're interested in the stickers, I will link my Redbubble so you could just buy them there. But if you would like to purchase a 4-pack, so you could get FrankenAri poison bottle, a little TV, and the brain in the jar. I'm gonna sell those for a flat fee, free shipping of $15. I feel like that's a good deal from what I'm seeing online. And if you just wanted a single sticker, so if it was like one of these, $4.50. I know that seems like a lot, but I have to like buy the stickers, get them printed and shipped. But I think personally best deal is the 4-pack, because then you get 4 for $15. I saw online someone had a 3-pack for $13, so I have a 4-pack for $15, because if you bought these separately it would be $18 with one of each, you know. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Like I said, free shipping. If you're interested in purchasing any, again, I will have my Redbubble holographic there. I do eventually want to figure out how I can do holographic myself. And if you're interested, I'll have everything below. If you want to buy a single sticker from me or just a 4-pack, I will leave my YouTube email below, and you can email what you want to order and send me I'll have you Venmo me the $15 or the $4.50 if you're only getting one, or whatever, you know. And I'll ship them out to you very quickly because I'm excited, but no pressure if you don't want some cool stickers. I'm still working on more. I'm gonna do some Sabrina ones and chaperone because duh. And I have some coffee related ones I'm working on. And I want to do makeup ones. So I do want to make some makeup stickers too because I think that'd be fun. But yeah. But anyways, I hope you enjoy your day or night wherever you are. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click that thumbs up button, and say something nice below about your day, about anything. Bye!